In front of me is INFINIX Note 40 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then tap on any of those themes. I will go with this one. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher, and when you're ready, hit apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard has changed. To customize it though, go back to the same settings and this time use plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!